Good morning to everybody present here. This is the poster that we submitted as part of the Software Engineering Topics course for the fall 2021 term. We would like to thank Professor Mir for guiding us throughout the course and giving us this chance to be part of the CS DemoD. The question that we focused on in the poster is which software development model is the most preferred in cloud-based solutions? So basically, software modus operandi are structured processes that result in better quality of the product, delivery of more stable systems, and better time management. The hypothesis that we would like to propose here is that the Scrum Agile development model is the most common and coherent model in a cloud-based concern. A recent study has found that nearly 71% companies prefer and are using the Scrum Agile model. To implement a Scrum Agile model in a cloud-based concern, there are three basic steps involved. First step is that all stakeholders like the project team, customer, sponsor, and vendors should collaborate as communication and collaboration is the key. Next step is to choose the tools and framework used to carry out the Scrum Agile model and stick with it throughout the process. The final step is to scrutinize on what's working and what's not working through regular Scrum calls and thereby make the needed changes to the model. Now my teammate Faiza will continue further with the second section of the poster. Thank you.
Thanks, Abhinaya. Hello, everyone. I'm Faiza Iqbal from Master of Applied Computing program, and I will walk you all to the next part of our poster. In the course of making this poster, we contacted some software professionals who are working in the industry currently. We wanted to know what software engineering methodology do they use in the projects. We sent out Google Forms with a few questions to them and recorded their answers. We briefed their answers out in our poster as well. We contacted Mr. Sharik Iqbal, who is a senior software engineer in Slack. He talked about using agile methodology with bi weekly sprint cycles. He also told us that this methodology has a great track record of success across many industries of software development, given it is followed in its true form and continually retrospected and improved upon by the team. Then, we also talked to another software professional, Mr. Tapan Sharma, who is a senior technology architect at Precisely. They also follow the Agile methodology. They have a 15-day sprint. They schedule a sprint demo after the end of every sprint where all the stakeholders such as Scrum team, Scrum master, product owner, product manager, engineering heads, and our clients join and share their feedback. During the requirement phase, they get detailed requirements from the product manager. Then, moving forward in the research, we also got to know about how many software companies use the Agile model. We understood that on an average, 70 to 80% of the software companies have adopted to this methodology, which shows it is helping projects do better. Agile methodology helps the team work together in a better and an organized way. It teaches them concepts like Scrum calls, group work, and doing the work within deadlines. Now, I would like my team member Ashmi to take over for the next part of the poster. Thank you.
Thank you, Faiza. I'm Ashmi Joseph and I'm a graduate from Max program. Now let's discuss the challenges in adopting agile methodology in cloud applications. First, an agile project typically handles multiple teams. Hence, communication is one of the backbones of project progress. Therefore, maintaining strong communication between team members, and customer is one of the serious challenges of agile methodology. Second, the delivery timelines can be compromised if the user stories are not small enough to be completed within the sprint, or if there is a delay in feedback from the customer and stakeholder. However, many companies still adopt the agile methodology for managing their project, and it is because of the benefits agile methodology brings to the table. By incorporating agile in cloud computing solutions, we can deliver superior quality products, which is one of the benefits. Second, there's an increased flexibility as agile divides the project into short sprints that are both manageable and flexible enough to allow the team to implement changes on short notice. Third, better customer satisfaction. The customer is always involved in decision making process, which leads to a greater customer retention. By keeping the customer in the loop and making changes according to their feedback, we can deliver value to the customer and ensure that the final product is truly according to their requirements. To conclude, agile development in the cloud computing environment is an important area in software engineering. Cloud computing and its related services are essential when agile teams aim to produce products via continuous integration and delivery. This makes agile development a more parallel activity than a linear one. Therefore, incorporating agile in cloud based companies brings the best of both worlds for efficient software development. Thank you.